Hello everyone, today I will be unboxing and reviewing ModeLones limited edition Cosmo Party series. So make sure to touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So this is the box of the ModeLones limited edition Cosmo Party series. It is very nice looking, it is so fancy, it is perfect for a Christmas gift, for your wife, for your daughter, for your friends, for your girlfriends, for everyone that loves doing their nails. And inside this box, this is what you get. You get a ModeLones Cosmo Party Galaxy Dust Deep Powder Kit, ModeLones Cosmo Party Solid Cream Gel Polish, and Cosmo Party Gel Polish Nail Set. So first, let's open the Cosmo Party Galaxy Dust Deep Powder Kit. So this is what it looks like, and inside it comes with a very well selected 6 cosmic shades of the most iconic and trend-setting colors. And it also comes with a nail file, extra brush, it comes with top coat, base coat, and the activator and the brush. Next is we'll open the ModeLones Cosmo Party Glitter Waves Gel Nail Polish. This set comes with 6 cosmic shades of the most iconic and trend-setting colors. It is high quality inspired gel, it is high gloss shine, and it can last up to 28 plus days. It is long lasting, and it also comes with the magnetic stick. Next is we'll open the ModeLones Cosmo Party Nebula Rubik's Cube. This cube comes with 9 shades solid cream gel polish. It's the innovative solid gel form with solid but extra smooth buttery texture. It is a very cute size. It comes with 9 different beautiful shades, and it is easy to apply and easy to carry. It is a limited edition, so I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out. And now I'm gonna try the deep powder kit. So first, apply a thin layer of base coat. And then dip the nails into the deep powder. Brush off the excess powder, and then do the same process with the other nails. Make your nail art design using your base gel, and then dip into the deep powder, brush off the excess powder, and then do the same process with the other nails. When you're done with your nail design, apply activator. And then air dry for 60 seconds. Next is file the nails to make it smoother. When done filing the nails, apply activator again. And then air dry for 60 seconds. And then lastly, apply top coat. And then air dry for 60 seconds. ModeLones limited edition Cosmo Party series is a fantastic, brilliant, and unique gift which will be loved by receivers. It is long-lasting up to 28 plus days. It is easy to apply. It is suitable for nail professionals and home users. So when you purchase ModeLones limited edition Cosmo Party series, you get Glitter Wave 6 shades gel nail polish set. Next is the Galaxy Dust 6 pieces deep powder nail kit and the Nebula Aerobics Cube 9 shades solid cream gel polish. And that's it everyone. If you like this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up because that would really help me to keep going. And don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.